Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide you to find the hidden apps on a Samsung phone. Now, if you want to find the hidden apps on a Samsung phone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to make sure that you are on the home page of your Samsung device. So after that, you just need to long press on the home page, and here you will see the option of wallpaper and style, themes, widget, and settings. So click on the option of settings like this, and here you will see the various option of app labels, widget labels, home screen layout, home screen grid, folder grid, and add media to home page, and all of it. And here you'll also see the option of hide apps on home screen. So if you click on the option of that, here you will see the number of hidden apps which are like this. So if you simply click on the minus like icon which is at the very top left of the app, and if you click on the option of done, you'll be able to find the same app again on your home screen like this. So that's it. That's how you can find the hidden apps on your Samsung phone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.